By now, you know about the two mass shootings that rocked our country over the weekend. Combined, 31 people were killed in two cities. In the wake of those shootings, some Republican lawmakers from Florida want students to be able to carry guns on college campuses. NBC2 chief political correspondent Dave Elias takes a look at the bill that is stirring passion on both sides.
Yeah, Peter, House Bill 6001 was just filed yesterday, and it would allow students to carry concealed handguns on college campuses. They're currently off limits, and it's a scenario some call necessary. Others say it's scary. Scenes like these in El Paso and Dayton still fresh in the minds of college students returning to campus.
I'm actually scared to go to school now because of it.
Freshman Sabrina Henderson and Alexis Thomas have mixed reaction to the idea of their classmates being allowed to carry handguns.
I don't think I'd feel that safe. I don't trust people to have that amount of authority.
I would feel comfortable if I carried one, but I don't know if I'd trust everybody to have one. So it's good and bad at the same time.
Nick Beckley sees too many concerns.
They get in an altercation with another student, some reason their payments didn't go through for their classes and they may be expelled or kicked out, and they could freak out.
FSU and others have opposed the idea.
They definitely keep places safe, but in the wrong hands they could go wrong.
Some students fear they'd always be looking over their shoulders.
Even parking lots, especially when it's like dark outside, with night classes, I think that's a big issue.
To say that students are uncomfortable seeing someone on campus who is a concealed weapons permit holder, well, they're there every day in Publix, they're there in the streets, they're everywhere. So why not allow them to do that on campus if they're doing it everywhere else?
State Representative Heather Fitzenhagen supports letting individual schools decide.
I can select a college campus that agrees with that philosophy.
Now, FSW wouldn't say if they support the idea, saying they don't comment on pending bills, but FGCU hasn't seen the bill but has opposed similar bills in the past. Right now, 2 million people in Florida have concealed carry permits. The bill would be considered in the 2020 session. Live in the newsroom, Dave Elias, NBC2.
Destruction of